How to change Trust Wallet account password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can change Trust Wallet account password. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Trust Wallet application in your mobile device. Now, if you're already logged in, head towards the top left corner and tap on the settings icon. Once you're here, again tap on security. Enter your passcode. Now all you have to do is turn off the toggle that says passcode at the top. For your verification, enter your passcode. After that, you can go back, refresh your page once. Again, in order to change passcode, you have to turn it on. Again, tap on security. Now turn on this toggle for passcode. It's gonna ask you to create a passcode. So create your new passcode. Confirm it again. If you want to add your biometric login, you can simply tap on confirm, or you can skip this as well. So tap on deny. And with that, you have successfully changed your Trust Wallet account passcode. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.